Last class we have an assignment. Did you finish it? Introduce yourself. Use the words we learned. Is there anyone want to share your answers with us? If you finish this homework, you can type your answer here and share your answers with us. You can write a short passage or a conversation. If you like, you can write it now to make some sentences, or write a short conversation to introduce yourself.你好，你们好，名字是国人同学朋友汉语老师学生 and you can use more words. Does there anyone who want to have a try?我叫阿迪亚，我是学生，我朋友苏丹啊。That's good, but I think you should write 我朋友叫苏丹。That's better. 我朋友叫苏丹，我是蒙古人。Very good， 很好。Okay, now I write one passage. You can read my passage. 你们好，我的名字是 David。同学们啊 ，students, classmates， 同学们叫我大卫。我是美国人，我的汉语老师是王老师。他们是我的朋友，我们一起学习汉语。Oh, very good. Let me read your passage. 老师您好 ，Good， 你好。同学们你们好，我是法国人。It's a good sentence. 我中文名字是洛毅。That's good. 我是大学生，学习汉语。是因为这是一个很美丽的外语。That's a very beautiful sentence. 我也可以跟我的中国朋友们聊天。谢谢老师教我们中文。Your Chinese is very good. 写得很好，非常好啊。It's a good passage. 谢谢阿迪亚，谢谢洛毅。Introduce yourself. 你们好，同学们，我叫法美啊。你好，法美，我是伊朗人，我学习汉语在孔子学院，我的老师是中国人。Very good, but I have a little suggestion. You can write 我在孔子学院学习汉语。I think it's better. 你好，法美，谢谢你 ，Thank you. Thank you for sharing us with your answers. 谢谢你们。Okay, some other students want to share your answers with us. Introduce yourself in Chinese with the words we learned. My passage, the last sentence. 我们一起学习汉语。一起 it means together. Now we will learn this word. 学习 means study. 我们一起学习汉语。We study Chinese together. Okay, tell me your question. 你有什么问题？And you can watch the video after the class. You can click the website and watch the video after the class. Okay, now it's time for start our today's class. 今天我们学习第5课 Lesson 5. 他女儿今年20岁 Her daughter is 20 years old this year. 他女儿今年20岁 Today we will first review Lesson 4 and learn some new knowledge about Chinese pinyin, then learn some new words. From this class, we can count the numbers from 1 to 100. Inquire the number, briefly describe changes in things, and inquire age. First, let's review what we have learned in last class. In the last class, we learned the pronunciation differences between zhi, chi, shi, and r. Now let's go through an exercise to see if you have mastered it. I will read one syllable. Please write the 声母 you hear. Are you ready? Now let's start. First one. 知识，知识，知识，知识，知 it should be this. 知识 Okay, next. 厨师， 厨师，厨师，厨师 ，good。Next， 上车，上车，上车 ，very good。Next， 重置，重置，重置，重置。No, good. It should be 吃 and 之，重置。Next， 手术，手术，手术，手术。Yes, they both are 师，手，术，师。Okay, next one. 热闹，热闹，热闹。Good. It should be 日。Next. 超市，超市，超市，超市。Good. 吃 and 诗，超市。Okay, last. 认识，认识，认识。Very good. 认识。Okay, next. This exercise is about n and ng. Please choose the syllable you hear. 第一个 number one. 寒风，寒风，寒风。Correct. A is right. Number two. 柠檬，柠檬，柠檬，柠檬。Okay, it sounds to be a little bit difficult. Listen carefully. 柠檬。Which one is right? 柠檬。I'm sorry. 柠檬。Yes, B is right. Okay, next. 森林，森林，森林。Okay, listen carefully. 森林，森林，森林。Okay, this one. Yes, this one. C is right. 森林。A is 森林。B is 森林。A 和 B are wrong. C is right. 森林。Okay, next. 享用，享用，享用，享用，享用。Which one is right? 享用。Yes, C is right. Okay, the last one. 紧张，紧张，紧张， 紧张紧张 Oh, I'm sorry. Listen carefully. 紧张紧张 It should be C. C is right. A is 紧张 C is 紧张 C is right. Okay. The following is a sentence exercise. You need to hear the correct syllable in the sentence. I will read the sentence. Please choose the right syllable you hear. Okay, number 1. 我不能吃太多。我不能吃太多。Very good. C is right. Next. 请你来我办公室。请你来我办公室。请你来我办公室。Very good. B is right. Next. 这家商场打折。这家商场打折。这家商场打折。这家商场打折。Good. A is right. A B is 商场。商场。That's it. B. A is 商场。So A is right. 商场 means mall, supermarket. The last one. 墙上有幅画。墙上有幅画。墙上有幅画。Yes, very good. C is right. Okay, the last. This is the new word we learned in last class. Do you remember their meaning? I give you 1 minute to finish these 5 sentences. Okay, let's do it. Okay, you already have the answer. Now let's do it together. Number 1, 他是谁 ？Very good. We should choose C. 他是谁 ？Number 2, 他是我。Yes, good. 他是我同学他是我同学。第3个，你好，你是。Number 3, 你好，你是。Yes, good. 哪国人？哪国人？哪 Do you remember the meaning? 哪 it means which, right? 哪国人 Which country are you from? 你是哪国人 Number 4, 他们是我。Number 4, we should choose yes, E. 他们是我的好朋友。他们是我的好朋友。Okay, the last one. 我叫张好，你呢？Good. 你呢？我叫张好，你呢？ Here, 呢 we use it to ask the same situation we mentioned previously. So, 你呢 it means how about you and you? Very good. We have reviewed lesson 4 and you did it very well. Now let's start today's lesson. We will learn pinyin part first. Okay, today we will learn some new knowledge about pinyin. The finals are divided into single finals and compound finals. Today we take the finals beginning with yi, wu, yu as an example to learn the characteristics of the pronunciation of compound finals. First, let's look at these three finals. Ya, wa, yue. When we read compound finals, we cannot read each final one by one, but read them together. The air flow between the finals should be continuously, with no pause in the middle. Let's look at these three compound finals. Yan, wan, yuan. Although yi, wu, yu can combine with an, we can clearly feel that the pronunciation of a is different when reading. This is because a is affected by the pronunciation of the finals before it. Okay, now let's do some practice. Please choose the right syllable you hear. Number 1. 抓住 抓住 Good. Number 2. 坏人坏人坏人 Yes. Number 3. 爽快爽快 Very good. B is right. Next. 先生先生 Very good. Next. 解决解决 Good. A is right. This part is about aspirated and unaspirated initial. The difference between aspirated sound and non-aspirated sound is very obvious. One of the easiest way is to put your hand in front of you during pronunciation and feel the strength of the airflow. Please listen to me and pay attention to the difference between them. 波坡鸡七的特滋呲个科知吃 Okay, let's do a practice. Please choose the right 声母 you hear. Number 1. 你真棒你真棒 Very good. Next. 这个怎么读这个怎么读 Well done. B is right. Next. 我看不见我看不见很好 Very good. C is right. Next. 准备好了吗准备好了吗准备好了吗 It should be B. Good. Let's look at this. We all know 拼音 has 3 parts. 声母、韵母 and 声调 Let's look at these 3 拼音 G, E, and ang. How many syllables can these finals form? G, E, and ang. How many syllables can you form? 2 2个 2. Yes, first, like this. G and E, they can combine together. And the second one is ang, because I said in Chinese, pinyin, the 声母initials is not necessary. So sometimes some syllable there is no 声母. So G and E can combine together and ang. So we have one word, ji ang, ji ang. Second, G, E, and ang, they can combine together, form one pinyin, one syllable. Jiang, jiang, it means river. Jiang. So we can find that ji, ang, and jiang, they are very same, but they are two different words. So in this case, we need syllable dividing mark. When a syllable beginning with a, o, follows another syllable, the syllable dividing mark is used to separate the two syllables. I have some examples for you. The first one is ji, ang, and jiang. We also have some other examples. Xi'an. Xi'an is a city in China. But if we put them together, xian, it means earlier. Ji e. Ji e, it means hungry. But if we put them together, jie, jie, it means street. Pi ao means jacket. But piao means to float. When we read this pinyin, we should pay attention to the difference in pronunciation. If there are two syllables, there must be a clear pause in the middle. Like ji ang, xi an, ji e, pi ao. There is a very clear pause in the middle. If it is one syllable, there can be no pause in the middle. For example, like jiang, xian, jie, piao, there is no pause in the middle. Okay, this is the pinyin knowledge we learned today. Next, let's learn the new words and grammars. I think many students can speak simple numbers in Chinese. Let's look at this three. 1, 2, 3. In Chinese, it is 1, 2, 3, right? It's very easy. One is one line, three lines. It's easy to understand. But starting from the 4 is not so simple and straightforward. This is 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's read them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Very good. Okay, from 1 to 10, let's read together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, which number disappeared? Can you tell me? Which number disappeared? Yes, it should be 4. 4. Okay. Which number disappeared? Good. 7. Which number disappeared? Yes, 9. Okay, can you tell me which two numbers are in the wrong order? Which two numbers are in the wrong order? Yes, very good. 5 and 3. 5 means 5, 3 means 3. Okay. Which two numbers are in the wrong order? Please try to type capitals or pinyin. Yes, very good. 6 and 10. 6 means 6, 10 means 10. Okay, now let's read them together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is 家, right? 家 it means family or home, 家. As we all know, ancient China was an agricultural country. For an ordinary Chinese, having a house to live and eating meat is the simple requirement for 家. Ancient Chinese character shows us the meaning of home more intuitively. Here, there is a house and meat to eat. Let's look at this picture and try to describe it. 这是我的家。这是我的家。这不是我朋友的家。这不是我朋友的家。The second sentence there is 不是 is a negative form. 家人家 means family, 人 people. 家人 it means family member. Like this picture, they are families. So we can say 这是我爸爸，这是我妈妈，他们是我家人，他们是我家人。Okay, let's look at this picture. Can you tell me how many people are there in this picture? How many? 4, right? So we can say 4 people. 4 people. In Chinese, it literally means 4人. 4人, but it's not right. In Chinese, number cannot describe the noun directly. There should be a measure word between number and noun. So in this case, for 人, family member, we should use the measure word 口. 口 is a measure word for members of family. Other nouns has their own measure word. So please remember, when we use a number to describe a noun, there must be a measure word between them. Why we use 口 to describe a family member? Because there is an old saying in China that people take food as the sky, which probably means that for ordinary people, eating is the most important thing. The number of people in the family means that there are as many mouths as need to eat. So 口 is used as a measure word to refer to the number of family members. 口 has another meaning. It means mouth. Okay, now let's use this structure to describe the picture. Number, measure word, and noun. The first picture. There are 3 people. They are a family. So we can say 很好 very good. 3口人 3口人 The second picture. Next one. Very good. 五口人，五口人。Remember, 口 is a measure word for family member, just for family member. Next word, 有，有，有 is a verb. It means to have or there be. Before we study its meaning, I want to introduce you two new words. 书，书 that means book. 手机，手机，手机 means cell phone or smartphone. 手机。Maybe you have found that 手 has two 有 has two meanings: to have and there be. Let's look at its first meaning. To have. When 有 means to have, you can use this structure. Subject 有 something. I show you three sentences as example. 我有书，我有书。I have books. 学生们有手机，学生们有手机。你有汉语名字吗？你有汉语名字吗？ In these three sentences, 有 means have. The second meaning is there be. In this case, we should use this structure. Someplace, 有 something or somebody. It means existence. 我家有三口人。我家有三口人。It means there are three people in my family. 我朋友家有四口人。我朋友家有四口人。他们家有三口人吗？他们家有三口人吗？ Okay, in these three sentences, 有 means there'll be. Sometimes we don't know how many people are there in your family. 你家有口人 we don't know the number. In this case, we should use a question word to ask how many. This question word is 几。几。几 means how many. But be careful. 几 can only be used to ask the numbers less than 10. Less than 10. 你家有几口人？你家有几口人？ Even we don't know the accurate number, but we still should use the measure word between question word and the noun. 几口人 The measure word cannot be omitted. Okay, let's do a practice. Please answer the question. 他们家有几口人？他们家有几口人？ Please answer this question. 他们家有几口人？他们家有四口人。Very good. 他们家有四口人。Next. 他们家有几口人？他们家有几口人？他们家有，对 ，very good， 很好。他们家有三口人。他们家有三口人。Next, let's make sentence. 他们家有 make a question and answer it. Have a try. Very good. 我家有5口人，很好。他们家有几口人？他家有几口人 ？The answer should be 他家有几口人？ Good. The answer should be 他家有 1、2、3、4、5 ，right？ 他家有5口人 ，right？ 他家有几口人？他家有5口人。Okay，this is 几。Now let's look at this. This is a conversation. Please listen to the dialogue and try to answer it.
你家有几口人？
我家有3口人。
Okay, once again.
你家有几口人？
我家有3口人。
Very good. 你家 the first one A is 你家 good. 你家几口人 B is 我家3口人very good. Okay, this is the text one. Let's look at next word. 岁 is also a measure word. It means the year of age 岁 we should use number and 岁. For example, like this picture, we can say this baby 1岁，他1岁。This one, 他4岁，他4岁。To describe one's age, 岁。了 should be used at the end of a sentence to indicate a change or a new situation. 他几岁了？他几岁了？他4岁了。他4岁了。Last year, 他3岁 3 years old. But this year, his age changed. 4岁了。了 at the end of a sentence to indicate change. 他4岁了。女儿 means daughter. 女儿 So do you know how to say son? That should be 儿子 Very good. 女儿儿子。你女儿几岁了？你女儿几岁了？你女儿今年几岁了？你女儿今年几岁了？ In this question, I use a word 今年。年 means year. 今年 means this year. 你女儿今年几岁了？ We can use 今年 to describe the picture. 女儿今年3岁了。女儿今年3岁了。儿子今年4岁了。儿子今年4岁了。Very good. Now let's listen to the dialogue. You can read after it.
你女儿几岁了？
她今年4岁了。
Okay, once again.
你女儿几岁了？
她今年4岁了。
Good. Let's look at this. This number is more than 10. 10 is 10. So how to say 20? 20. We know how many tens are there in 20? 2, right? So we can use 20. 20. There are 2 tens in 20. This one? 3 tens in 30. So it should be 30. Very good. 30. Yes. So can you go on to read it? 10, 20, 30. Then the next one should be yes, 40. Go on. 40, 50, 60. Next, 70, 80 and 90. 10, 20, 30, 40、50、60、70、80、90。Very good. Let's look at this one. 11. 11 is 10 plus 1, right? So in this case, we should read 10, then read 10 plus 1. 11. So 23. 23 is 20 plus 3. So we should read 20 plus 3. 23. 46 is 40 plus 6. 40 plus 6. 46. Can you read these three numbers? 19. 19 is 10 plus 9, right? So it should be 19. 57 is 50 plus 7. 57. Now 74 is 70. 70 plus 4. 74. Very good. 74. 很好 very good. Now let's play a game. Let's look at, there are 3 numbers in the screen, on the screen, right? All of you can see it. I will give you 5 seconds to read it. Then there will be one number disappeared. You can tell me which number disappeared. Okay? I give you 5 seconds to read the 3 numbers. Okay, which one disappeared? Yeah, you can type pinyin or Hanzi, that's better. Yes, very good. 28. 28. Don't miss that 10. 28. Okay, next. Which one disappeared? Okay, which one disappeared? Once again. 96. Is that 96? I'm sorry, it should be 99. 99. Okay, this one a little bit more difficult. Are you ready? Which one disappeared? Yes, very good. 88. 88. Okay, let's look at this. There are 3 numbers in the circle, right? And there will be an extra number. Please tell me which number is not there before. I give you 10 seconds to remember them. Okay? Please tell me which number is not here before. Which one is not here before? 46, 61, 24. Which one is not here before? 40. Yes, 46 is not here before. Okay, next. 准备好了吗 ？Are you ready? Which one is not here before? Remember? 38. 38. Are you sure? Yes, 38 is not here before. Okay, now let's look at this picture. 女儿 we can say 你几岁了？你几岁了 to ask her age. 你几岁了 We can say, do you remember? 几 is a question word. We use it to ask her the numbers less than 10, right? So 女儿 this 女儿 she is a kid, right? So we should use 几. But in this case, if we want to know his age, he is obviously more than 10 years old, right? So in this case, we cannot use 几 to ask his age. We should use this structure. 你多大了？你多大了？几岁？几 ask the age of a kid younger than 10. 多大了 can be used to ask the age of people of all ages. No matter it's less than 10 or more than 10, both are right. 多 indicating degree or extent. 大 is the old for age. 你多大了？你多大了？ It also means how old are you? 你多大了？我45岁。我45岁。Just use your age to replace 多大了？我45岁。Okay, let's listen to this dialogue.
李老师多大了？
他今年50岁了。
他女儿呢？
他女儿今年20岁。
Okay, once again.
李老师多大了？
他今年50岁了。
他女儿呢？
他女儿今年20岁。
In this dialogue, there is one word. 他女儿呢？他女儿呢？呢 we have learned not to ask the same situation we mentioned previously. So in this conversation, they are talking about the age, right? So here, 他女儿呢? How about her daughter? According to the context, we can know 他女儿呢? It means how about her daughter's age? Okay, this is the new words, grammars, and dialogues we learned today. Now let's do some practice. Okay, these are new words we learned today. Please read after me. 家有口女儿几岁了？今年多大？ Okay, now I will cover the pinyin. Can you read it? Please after me. 家有口女儿几岁了？今年多大？ Okay, let's do some practice. Choose the proper word from A, B, C, D, E to fill in the blanks. Okay, let's read them together. 我的中国朋友家有3口人 Very good. E is right. 口。你们老师今年多 你们老师今年多 yes 多大 good 多大啊 to ask age。我是美国人，我是学生，我19 good 19岁啊。Last one， 你们家有 yes B is right 有几口人 ？Remember， 几 should used to ask the numbers less than 10. Okay, next. 他是哪国人 ？Good， 哪 which next？ 我今年29岁，你很好，你呢？你呢？那 How about you and you？ 这是你女儿 ？Good， 这是你女儿吗？这是你女儿吗 ？Last sentence， 他是我的好朋友。他今年30岁 ，yes， 他今年30岁了了 at the end of a sentence to indicate a change. Okay, please choose the right answers according to the question. Okay, I give you 1 minute to read the sentences. Okay, number 1. 你家有几口人 The answer should be good. 1. 我家有4口人 Next. 李老师的女儿几岁了？几岁了？See here, 几岁it should be younger than 10. Yes, A is right. 他今年7岁了。他是老师吗？他是老师吗 ？Very good. B is right. 不是，他是学生，他今年21岁。Next. 你今年多大了？你今年多大了？好，很好。D 是对的 ，D is right。我今年38岁了。See, 38, more than 10, right? We should use 多大 The last sentence, 你的汉语老师是哪国人？You already show the answers here. C is right, very good. 他是中国人，他是中国人。Okay, the last practice is to put words into a sentence. Have a try the first sentence. You can type the number or type the 拼音 or 汉字都可以。很好 ，very good。你家有几口人你家有几口人？很好 ，very good. Next one, it's a little bit longer. Read it carefully. Do you have the answer? ”这个是张老师张老师 ，very good. It should be 张老师的女儿，张老师的女儿几岁了？张老师的女儿几岁了 ？Good. Next. Yes, I think this one is easy for you. 您啊，这个是您，不是你。您今年多大了？啊，您今年多大了？啊 ，Very good. This is our main content of our today's class. Did you have any questions? Today we have learned how to count numbers from 1 to 100, from 1 to 99, and we learned some new words like the measure word, 岁, 口, and some other new words. And one important verb, 有. So from next class, we can express what I am able to do. So we will learn a new verb, 会, and describe the nature or state of somebody or something, such as 中国菜很好吃, Chinese food is delicious. Last, we will learn how to ask how to do. Okay, and last, I will recommend you an app, Chinese Plus. You can download it. Through this app, you can learn various Chinese and cultural courses. If you are a teacher, you can complete vocational training online, improve teaching skills, and communication with excellent teachers worldwide. Okay, so much for today. Do you have any questions about today's class? You can ask me here. "你多大了？你多少岁了？" Both are right. 都可以啊。多少 is also a question word to ask the numbers. Next class is next Friday afternoon, 5 o'clock p.m. Beijing time. 谢谢你们，不客气，谢谢你们。Okay, do you have any questions? 有没有问题 You can ask me here. "不客气，谢谢你们。没有问题吗 You don't have any questions? You learned very well. How long? It's up to different courses. This book I will teach you the standard course level 1. This book has 15 lessons. 15课 15 lessons. 不客气，谢谢你们。好，不客气，谢谢你们。Do you have any other questions? 有没有别的问题？没有问题，好，很好，没有问题。Okay, if you don't have any other questions, so see you next Friday. Okay, see you next Friday. 好，不客气，再见 ，See you next Friday. 再见。